Hello, what's up people? It's your boy Earl from Otofo back at it again with another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about twisted wires. So the benefits of using twisted wires. Why would I use a twisted wire? I can use a parallel. Well, it's practically the same thing except twisted wires, they provide a better throat hit, okay? Because they create cross sections. I talked about this in a video when I was saying about braids, claptons and stuff like this. Twisted wires, they create cross sections and spaces that hold more juice versus a flat or a parallel, right? Twisted wires also give you a drop in resistance because you're twisting two wires together, therefore dropping resistance. So in this video, I'll show you how to easily make a twisted wire even though you don't have a drill. It's completely fine. I don't have a drill. I will use my hands. I'll make a twisted wire for you guys. And at the end, I will show you guys how to make a build called the chains. Okay? So let's dive down and get up close. So what I want is about that much. Right? Fold that in half. Okay? So twice that length, right? I need that much wire for my first twisted. Cut that out, separate that. Okay, so I have that much wire. I don't know if you guys and girls can see this, but there, right? You'll also be needing your pliers and a screwdriver, okay? This is how easy it is to make twisted wires. So all you need to do is put these two ends together, right? Put these two ends together, make a twist. There you go, make a twist there. Just so you can hold it in your pliers. Clamp down as hard as you can on that. If you don't have a drill, this is how you do it, right? You put your screwdriver through that. You give it a little tension like this, pull, and then you create, either you can go clockwise or you can go counterclockwise. It doesn't really matter right now, but you have to keep, see that? You have to keep your wires really straight. Okay? Just have to put tension on it, twist, put tension on it, and then you keep going. And there you have it, boys and girls, a twisted wire. I would have all my... You can't go tighter than this, but I wouldn't recommend it being so loose, because if it's loose and you start looping it, it'll just break apart. Okay? You want it nice and tight as you can go. If you're using a drill, this will be easier, this will be faster, but like I said, I'll show you how to do it without a drill, and I did it with a screwdriver and pliers. It's that easy to make twisted wires. Taking the same principle, right? Taking the same principle, right? Using a screwdriver and some pliers. Now, using the same principle, I'm going to teach you guys how to make the chains build. You guys and girls, you might want to try this build out. It's a very, very interesting flavor chasing and throat hit build. What I need you to do is, after twisting that, on the same screwdriver, don't take it off, okay? On the same screwdriver, I get another one of the same length, right? And I create another twisted wire. And I need you to keep in mind, guys and girls, when we were twisting the wire, right, we were going this way. So, the same direction, tension and turn. You guys and girls, you might want to try this build out. It's a very, very interesting flavor chasing and throat hit build. What I need you to do is, after twisting that, on the same screwdriver, don't take it off, okay? On the same screwdriver, I get another one of the same length, right? And I create another twisted wire. And I need you to keep in mind, guys and girls, when we were twisting the wire, right, we were going this way. So, the same direction, tension and turn. Now we have two twisted wires going that way. Right? Going that way, twisting it forward. Now that we have two of those, right? We put them side by side. We put them side by side like this. A little twisting going on here. Okay. Put the pliers on here. Right. And I need you to remember, guys and girls, I need you to remember, when we made these two twisted wires, we were going that way. Now we're going the opposite direction, okay? We're twisting these in the opposite direction. Tension, twist. Tension, twist. Right? And you need to keep the tension. Okay, you can see those twists unraveling. Don't worry about it, okay? Just keep going and keep tightening it. Okay, and at a certain point of tightness, it'll start looking like little chains. Right? I don't know if you can clearly see that, but it's starting to look like chains. All you need to do is like keep going until it's really tight, and it already looks like chains. Then you can cut that off. Right? Get a 3mm guide. I'll be using a 3.5 just so you guys can see. And then I'm going to be looping this. 1, it's going to be a bit springy. 2, 3, 4. When you build on this, you have to pull it, keep the tension. Keep the leads out. Cut it. And you can install it now in your RDA. So I'm going to be installing this in the Warrior RDA. See that? Nice and pretty coil. Right? Just one here, one there. Insert my leads. And there you have it, boys and girls. That is how to make twisted wires without a drill. Right? That's how to make twisted wires without a drill, and that's the chains build. Now, as you can see it, I installed it a single coil, right? Single coil. Come on. There. I installed it as a single coil, and it's firing at 75 watts. I'm firing this at 75 watts. It's firing at a 0.19 at a single coil, 4 loops, using a 3.5 guide. Let's see how it does. Oh my god. Yeah, not bad for a single coil, huh? Not bad for a single coil. The flavor on this is really good. Even with both airflows open and without the side block, you're still getting a warm, dense, and nice thick flavor from it. Okay, I use this usually for my pastry juices that are low nicotine. So I get that throat hit, and it's still warm even though it's a single coil. Right? You can use it as a dual coil, but I guarantee you need to use 28 gauge. Okay, 28 gauge, 3.5mm or 3mm guide, maybe 8 loops, just to be on the safe side and get your 0.19 or 0.20 ohm build. So I hope you guys enjoy using the chains build. I will come out with another video on another kind of build for this September for you guys and girls out there to enjoy experimenting with your DIY drip atomizers or RDTAs or even tanks, right? As always, guys and girls, support your local shops, support your local communities, because without them, where are you gonna get your stuff, right? It's been your boy Earl. Peace out.